Hi viewers, today I am going to talk about my course on gene expression meditation and 108 meditation techniques. If you are interested in becoming your own yoga and meditation guru, I would strongly recommend you to undergo this course. I will tell you what made me to come out with a course. I read the real life story of one Dutch person by name Wim Hof. Okay, he has created more than 25 world records. Guinness, right? Name a record. Yes, he used to break his own record every time he goes for a second record. Do you know what he used to do? He used to climb Himalayas with a bare body, just with a small shorts. That was his ability to withstand sub-zero temperatures, right? And he used to say that by virtue of a deep breathing exercise, he used to warm up his body by activating his central nervous system. So I was really fascinated. How nice, right? People, right, withstanding such a freezing temperature. Then I started researching on the meditation techniques that will keep each one of you happy, healthy and wealthy. Then I was really taken aback about a new research finding which is called as epigenetics. That is, you can switch on good genes and switch off bad genes. That is the area of epigenetics. So I want each one of you to become an epigenetic engineer so that you can help people to modify their genes. They'll be able to remove all the genes that causes infectious disease and replace the bad genes with good genes. So this is about gene expression meditation, which will help you, I call it as GEM-JEC, gene expression meditation, to enhance gene expression quotient. Okay. And now I would like to give, I have covered 108 meditation techniques, out of which 60 are discovered or invented by me, right? And I have covered 48 traditional meditation styles which are the pride of India, right? See, most of the siddhas, they were doing a particular type of a breathing exercise. Okay, it is called as Vasi Yoga. So Vasi Yoga, I would like to give you a demonstration, right? You imagine taking any siddha of your choice as your guru, right? I used to take Tirumular as my guru, right? Now I will demonstrate Vasi Yoga, right? It's a simple breathing exercise where you take a deep breath to the count of 1 to 5. Then exhale by keeping your tongue touching the top wall of your mouth. See, I again demonstrate. So exhale with the count of 10 to 1. See, this type of breathing exercise called as Vasi Yoga helps you to remove the toxins in your body, right? And you can enhance immunity. Okay, so this is a first demo is about Vasi Yoga. Okay, now you can, I have a nice sponge, right? Now there is a type of a breathing exercise where you can reduce your punch, right? So all these techniques I have covered in my course. Okay, then I will now talk about how siddhas evolved this type of meditation techniques, right? If you see Agatya, right, used to mention that Muchappa Daiva. Endru Munnor Sonnar, Adeyathan Siddharum Sonnar. Which means the breathing is your life force. If you forget to breathe, you die. So what happens is, when you control your breathing, right, you are able to enhance your longevity. Okay. Now I am going to talk about Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga, right? See, he has written 196 sutras, and if you see, there is a short format to remember the 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga. Okay. First thing is Yama. What the short form is, right? I will repeat, the short form of Ashtanga Yoga is YNA 2P 2D S. Y is Yama. Yama represents your external discipline. Then comes Nyama. Nyama means you have to maintain your internal discipline. Okay. Then comes Asanas. Asanas are postures, right? That keeps, right, enhances your flexibility. Then comes 2P. First P is Pranayama, that is your breathing. There are various types of breathing exercises. I have explained all this in my course. And if you see in Ashtanga Yoga, I have included so many images which will help you to practice all these 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga. Okay. After Pranayama comes Pratyahara. Pratyahara is about controlling your senses, right? You are able to manipulate your senses in such a way that you are able to maintain internal peace and harmony. Okay. So next comes 2D, right? First D is Dharana. Dharana means concentration. Concentration on your work-life balance. Concentration has to be on everything you do. Then comes Dhyana. Dhyana is what? Practicing a mantra within your heart. Okay, that is Dhyana. Okay. So now I have completed Ashtanga Yoga, right? Now I want to demonstrate an ancestral mentoring meditation. Okay. Ancestral mentoring meditation. Sit in a chair like me. Imagine your mother is on your left and your father is on your right, whether they are alive or dead. Imagine they are on both of your sides. Then you invite mother's parents, their parents, okay, 108 parental lineage. Same thing with your father. Invite your father's parents, their parents' parents, a link of 108 ancestral lineage. Then imagine all these 216, right, ancestral parents come into an imaginary globe, a globe, right, with golden light. And let all these ancestral parents protect you from evil and help you to achieve what you want in life. So what happens is, you are creating a global shield of your ancestors to grow in life. Okay. Now, the next meditation, right, is, I am calling it as AAMPG technique. Okay. If you see in life, right, how active you are depends on A, right, Annamaya, right. The second is Anandamaya, right. P is Pranamaya, right. Your life force, your oxygen that goes in, right, is what activates your brain. Your brain needs oxygenated blood, otherwise your brain will simply die. Okay. Annamaya, Anandamaya, Manamaya, Pranamaya, Gnanamaya. Gnanamaya is about knowledge, about Gyan, okay, about knowledge you acquire to maintain your body in a healthy condition. Okay. So AAMP G is a technique, right, which will keep you alert, active, and okay, disease free. See, I told you I've covered around 60 discoveries I've made, and I would like to name some of the discoveries. Okay, quantum healing meditation. Okay, quantum healing. Your body consists of atoms and molecules and cells, right? So, quantum meditation healing technique will help you to activate your cells so that you remain healthy. Okay. Now, I would like to cover an important meditation technique, right? So, the nerve that connects your brain to all the parts of your body, right, is called as vagus nerve system. Okay. So, now I am going to talk about vagus nerve stimulation meditation. Vagus nerve stimulation meditation. See, when you focus on your vagus nerve, right, it activates. This is see, normally if you see our Wim Hof story, what I mentioned in the beginning, right, it is how he controls, right, his body temperature. Yeah, although he's sitting on ice, he is able to control his body temperature just by activating his vagus nerve, by stimulating his vagus nerve. Okay. Then I have included, right, ego management meditation, 7 facial meditation. You will be surprised, right? I was so much happy when I was doing research on meditation, not only from India, from various parts of the world. So I am happy that, right, you also need to adapt any meditation of your choice and come up in life with all prosperity, health and wealth. Thank you again. It's come out nicely that